City Councilwoman Jacobs. Hi, my name is Noemi Asensio. Thank you so much for having the time to meet with me today. I am a social worker for the County of San Diego and also a resident of District 2. Now that I have you here, I'd like to take a little bit of your time and talk to you about an issue that I am very passionate about. It is about Planned Parenthood and the need to maintain it and keeping it from defunding and shutting down eventually. The patients that rely on Planned Parenthood are people from low-income families who, most of them are people of color. Most of them don't have health insurance, and so they rely on public health funding like Medicaid. The consequences are very real when politicians block people's access to health care. For example, in Texas, the defunding of Planned Parenthood led to a 27% increase in births amongst women who previously had access to injectable contraception. Defunding Planned Parenthood will only lead for these health centers to shut down and will take away the access to things like birth control, sexually transmitted infection testing and treatment, and Pap tests, and so much more. Not only that, but safe abortion would be even harder to access. And politicians supporting this defund are only putting these women at risk of medical danger, which can lead to death. I know you are very passionate about human trafficking, and so is Planned Parenthood. A lot of victims that happen to fall into human trafficking end up going to Planned Parenthood because that's the only place that would accept them without any health insurance. So a lot of these women rely on Planned Parenthood for help, and the staff at Planned Parenthood are C-sex trained, so they know these signs, they know what to look for, and they know what resources to provide to these women in case that they are victims of human trafficking. Without centers like these, this can only cause for human trafficking to increase in our communities. For many women in America, Planned Parenthood is the only place where they are able to get the needed quality. Defunding Planned Parenthood would only cause so much damage within our communities that are already so marginalized, especially in minority communities. I urge you to please visit istandwithpp.org for more information and more facts and more ways to support the Planned Parenthood health centers. Thank you so much and have a great day.